Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to send people your PayPal link. Sharing your PayPal, MeLink is incredibly convenient for receiving money. It simplifies the process, allowing friends, family, or customers to send you funds with just a few clicks. This method is secure, efficient, and eliminates the need for sharing sensitive account details. Whether you're splitting a bill or getting paid for a service, your custom link makes transactions smooth and easy for everyone involved. To get started, you'll first need to create your very own PayPal, MeLink. Simply navigate to the PayPal, Me website or find the option within your PayPal mobile application. You'll then be prompted to choose a unique and memorable name for your link, perhaps your name or business name. After confirming your details, your personalized link will be active and ready to use, usually within a few moments. It's a straightforward process, taking less than 5 minutes. Once your PayPal, MeLink is set up, sharing it is incredibly simple. You can send it directly via text message, email, or any messaging app to individuals. For broader reach, embed your link on your social media profiles, like Instagram or Facebook, or even in your bio. Businesses can include it on invoices, their website, or printed materials. This versatility ensures your link is accessible wherever your audience is, making payment requests effortless. When someone clicks your PayPal, MeLink, they'll be directed to a secure page where they can enter the amount they wish to send you. It's a seamless process for them, requiring only a few steps. Always double-check the payment details and amounts before confirming any transaction. For added security, familiarize yourself with PayPal's user protection policies and best practices. This ensures a safe and smooth experience for both you and the sender, every single time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.